to discard the keepable ends later. Another. Latch hook. Feed it through. Bottom of the rock. And just start twisting. Now this hair here is going to be a little straight at the roots, but we're using dark hair. It's going to be straight, and it's also going to be like a strawberry blonde. We're going to color this hair when we complete the process. We'll color it again. This hair is colorable. It's from Deoxy Dreadlockology off of Amazon.
I've been thinking about you lately, contemplating what we can be. Want to connect you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, those dirty wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all your kisses. We're like the sun and the moon blend sequence. I'm mesmerized by your touch, so frequent and still provoked since we first met. Love so strong, it's a light tight grip, but no destruction connected by the soul.
Sometimes I use like a light braid technique, just once around like I'm braiding to secure it in. And I start the process of fanning. I fan the hair out, not clumped, the fan, twist it. Again, in this particular color, I'm not worried about any hair coming through because we're going to bleach this hair and color it like a ash blonde. See a little hair sticking out there? All this hair is going to be colored to a little lighter than the roots. Latch hook from where I started before. Started. Pull through. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can always straighten it out. When I start straightening out the hair, palm rolling, and I'll